Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to integrate Claude into IntelliJ IDEA. So let's start with the first step, which is install the Claude AI plugin from the JetBrains marketplace. So just open the IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate and go to the file, tap on settings and go to plugins. Or you can also go to preferences, then plugins on macOS. So click the Marketplace tab at the top of the plugins window and type Cloud in the search bar. So the top results is Cloud AI Assistant by Anthropic, version 2.3.0 or newer, with around 850K downloads and a 4.7 star rating. So click the blue install button next to it, and IntelliJ downloads and installs the plugins in a few seconds. Then prompts you the restart the IDE. So click restart IDE. So this is required because the plugin registers new actions, tool windows, and a settings page that can only activate on startup. So after restart, you will see a new cloud icon in the right side to window strip. Next step is configure your API key and choose a model. After restart, go to File, tap on Settings, then go to Tools, then tap Cloud AI. Now the settings page shows an API key input field. So here you have to paste your SKANT API03 key here. So it is masked the moment that you leave the field. So a model drop-down set the value to Cloud Sonnet 4.5 for the best price, performance ratio, and the max tokens field defaulting to 4096 raised to 81992 for long Java files, and an enable inline suggestions checkbox. So tick this to get Copilot style grade out for completions while typing. So you can click on the apply, then OK, and then the plugin tests the key immediately and shows a green connected label at the bottom of the dialog if everything is correct. Next is open the Cloud tool window and generate tests. So open any Java file, for example, userservice.java, and click the Cloud icon on the right edge of IntelliJ to dock the Cloud AI tool window. Now, in the chat box at the bottom, type generate JUnit tests for user service class and press enter. So Cloud reads the entire class plus the dependencies and the streams and response titled "Here are the tests," followed by a fully formed Java code block with @task annotation at before each setup methods and assertions. So each code block has two buttons, copy, or this one will copies the clipboard, and insert. This one creates a new file at the right location, like for example, src, test, Java, user service, and etc. So you can click on insert and test file appears in the project 3 on the left, which is ready to run. Next one is use inline AI suggestions while you type. So with enable inline suggestion checked, Cloud now offers Copilot style completions in any editor. So start typing a method signature like public list and then user. Find active users and pause. Now within about 300 ms, a grayed out suggestion appears completing the body, and then return repository and then find all, which is you will see here the stream, the filter, and etc. Now a small Cloud logo badge appears next to the suggestion confirming it came from Anthropic and not the built-in IntelliJ completion. So press the tab to accept the entire suggestion and ESC to dismiss it, or just keep typing to ignore it. So the hint, press tab to accept and appears at the bottom of the editor while a suggestion is showing. Lastly is verify a successful refactor and watch token usage. So to confirm the integration is fully working, you can ask the Cloud to do something substantial. So refactor every method in the server to use optional and add unit tests. So the Cloud tool window will show a progress checklist and finish with a status line. So refactored 4 methods, generated 12 tests. So the bottom IntelliJ status bar will show Cloud and then connected Cloud Sonnet 4.5. So you always know the plugin is online and which model is active. Now, a balloon notification, Cloud AI Ready in your IDE appears in the bottom right corner the first time you finish a successful task. From now on, Cloud is available in every project that you open in IntelliJ. No per project setup needed. However, the connected label in the status bar to see today's token usage and remaining quota saves a trip in the Anthropic console when you're trying to budget a long session. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!